One of Quenza's most powerful features is activities. Activities are interactive exercises and tools that you can send to your clients. Things like assessments, worksheets, journaling prompts, any kind of engagement tool that helps your client between sessions. It's super easy to build something like this yourself. Let me show you exactly how activities work and how you can create engaging tools that match your client's specific needs. Here's your activity library. This is where all your activities live. You can see I already have several activities here, each with different types, like a form, an exercise, and meditation. You also have access to ready-made activities. These are professionally designed activities you can use right away. You can add them to your personal library. Simply hit the Add to Library button here. Let's create an activity ourselves. Whenever you want to build an activity from scratch, simply click the plus activity button here. This opens the activity builder, the space where your ideas come to life. Let's create one together. First, give your activity a title. For now, I'll call this one Test, but of course you'll choose something that fits your exercise. You'll notice 3 tabs at the top. First, the Content tab. This is where you build the activity using different elements. Then there is the Instructions tab. Here you can add private notes or instructions, just for you. Your clients won't see this, it's purely for your own guidance. In Settings, you can personalize your activity. For example, upload a featured image, add a description, and select the type of activity you're creating. This helps to keep your library organized and makes activities easy to find later. Now let's head back to the Content tab and start building. Click the plus element button and you'll see a variety of options to choose from. Say we want to add a multiple choice question. I click on it and the element appears right here in the builder. At the top, I can type my question. For example, how was your day? Then I add the answer options: bad, neutral, good. When I click next to the element, it collapses, nice and tidy. You can keep adding as many elements as you want to create a rich, engaging experience for your clients. If you want to structure your activity even more, you can also add sections to group different elements together. If you're curious what your activity will look like for your clients, just click the Preview button in the top right. You'll see exactly how they'll experience it when they open the activity. And if you're happy with your creation, click Save and your activity is now safely stored in your personal library. And that's how you create activities in Quenza. As you can see, whether you're starting from scratch or using templates, you have everything you need to build engaging, personalized tools for your clients. You can create a whole library of activities that you'll use again and again with different clients. Thanks for watching.